Not my thing. Not my thing. Not my thing. Prolog Projor. Very good morning. Dah singi. Kilam nai fish kue jaka puli hangi for kikat New Slong Township sini ti babun bagi jaka puli udang kemai dan sini. Nilam ni fish kani jaka. Ba nginyo kenen kowe ke program ke bagi kot yang mentah men pa promote. Ngelaju wanteng mensua tema mentang trek lapher ba. Te kedesa kate ketanya Sauli. Nang ni ya syakliang kamon. Kan mau syuk kalau dia nangi tema fry kami fry stay. Jaka mensua sini nang tador ba dan yo lai photo dingka. Institute Kedini office ki hani ni lama mentah. Mensua kan ni katan kan ni dah kelau sudah. Oh di itu ladan futsal. Di terkai ho. Kan jenadap ni cakap sini tu ni ki office. Kerana tang makin penhe soai ke surak pat. Amar ba kamen tu benda ni ki office. Behe ki tenak sini lada. Ke surak kamde dia. Aku dingiu ni hen aku kekok. Lawan ni kita ki dinding bahe sini ki jaka bahe ki ba ki ni kena puli sebelum kini kena puli ki awan sini maman ke sini yang dekat stesen ni misal ni dapat surak dah tani dengan nilam ni siapa mak siwan ni di surak hendau sudah ni nice di nice nama mana ni lah hitam nice. Ya. Hah? Layo nak lift kan? Biar
Yes.
Kani ka kasal snabi mo ni?
Ka
Bagi shift play kan di sini.
almost 4 years ini.
Tadi kau katrai ladi one of the first college been lift apa? Hah? Biar tak tahu kan? Oh, okay, mau deh. Okay. Ada. Oh, sweet. Puji staff room lah hit kan ni. Nice. Kani niru. Oh, kani kade satai. Oh, kalau kumtu. Sweet. Ni. Bas jakadai. Oh.
Kita lama.
Ha. Kemudian ni hang ni magibun kini institute di badan sini na nanti. Batang tu perbuan mangaru ani dang. Habatakan surok padan.
Padan ba.
Kini lagi praktis jubor bahan na bata jong konsert kalong nanum tu. Kendai terik. Sti central ni. Kadai ke jung pen kre mata jung pen kre pen krum na bata jong konsert ke ban he ke bahe ba le phi kwa ban wan ru pila ban wan. Te kande ke San baje janmit ni. Kendai terik di siman mandi Tuesday na? Tuesday. Hagasngi baar lesem tuyong kandon kini concert bag agar teng hajeli ki kriang di kini ki badang ya persyang menta bane praktis banuan ra ka music best ba kiri fusion music berkiwe hang ni praktis di kiwe style di praktis di kiwe kemut hang ni kamu kadibit ang ka traditional pius ne pia string room kading ni. Okay, so let's hear them rehearse one more time. Te sa scene ngin skap kita ka jingta mo jongki. Ka jurayu ni biya thawi na. Thawi. Oh, di. Tong ini skap sa ta jurayu thawi jongki ni. Kamalo kumno tang kiniat na mailut mo. Ka kadiki ka khanas ngubang. Ash, kabahan na ngubang dikena ito te. Amda, nabu ba kya barang ni nang ma. Ayo ngubang mo. Tip top. Dah bye. Wait, like, wait, comment, hit nabta jung pun. Fitam bitang kanina, fitam na kinikiksing iro. Tem kising iro, kung melihat nang buntel itu sebenarnya. Wih, di sana apa? Habis ada ngerti, makiwan mama nasi. Maksudnya, kamu piwan ni ladap kelas 12?
Ladap kelas 12.
Malong piwan degree begini kamu. Kebom, keksing, kedama, kan itu kadi jongki garun ni. Kini ki tabla. So this is kan ini ka Indian section. That's cool. Let me try. Okay, give me some keys no. Kisah. Huh?
What do you want to play?
Anything.
Just play this one, C.
This is C.
Yeah. Oh wait, okay. Let me do this. I have to do this.
Oh, yeah, you have to come now. Not my thing. Not my thing. Not my thing. See you all at Hajiliang. Woo! Yes. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. All right. It's going to be fun. Let's do this. Oh, nice. Nice. Best ba? Bit ba rin? Oh, di. Mau bisa lihat sih mana?
Lah ya, let sisi asin nomor
Yo.
5 em. Surely it's like
Bang nice ka?
Sot jaka. Siap bam kining ni.
Oh, nice. Hey, we'll do this. So. Nice. That's more like it. Okay, so we're here with the students here of Martin Luther University. We will be having the what is it called again? Hajili Ki Kriang. Hajili Ki Kriang. This is a concert. Is an annual concert of the university. But kani kan long hanti hapo State Central Library nado Sanbuji ni sir. No Sanbuji sheneng. Kadi ka concert kebujulong man usnem but mentaru kan long biang hanti hapo State Central kumbagujulong. But kan don ka music there will be. Okay, what type of music will people will be expecting from you guys?
Choir,
Uh-huh.
classical music.
Okay. So, pilai semua kibobon bah ki jingrai jingtem jingput begini kilapan kre. So they've been preparing, rehearsing a lot for the concert. For all of your friends and families, okay? For all your friends and families ki perlok jong pi bat ki badan nang te. What would you like to say to them for Hajili Ki Kriang?
It's free.
Nice. I love that. Yes, it's free. It's open to all. It's free. You don't have to pay any entry fee. So see you all at Hajili Ki Kriang. Love it. Okay, round of applause for everyone. Love it. Okay, all the best. Say practice ba. Rehearse well. Okay. Okay. Bye. See you guys. Now she starts speaking. Chalo.